ladies and gentlemen, welcome once again to the show You Never Cheat on Chin. So right about now, we go Kukuma start the parole as it's supposed to be based on say our guy don't sit down gidigba. So our first guest or our first contestant for tonight go begin.
You never introduced
Waka come.
judges.
No, the whole jump now. Go begin Waka come now. But before we cheat on Chin, we get our honorable first judge over there. The oga will wear yellow shirt, where his swag they burn like fire. I beg, ladies and gentlemen, make una put your hands together for. And after best, we can get Oga Nedu.
Peace.
With the red cap making wear.
Never, mama. We are here.
Yeah.
So then we can get our lady spur. Put your hands together for our one and only Katim. That's it. You know, as we talked about before, the very, very place where you feel get talent with this. If you never cheat on chin, today you go do what? You go cheat on chin. So our first contestant for today, what's his name again? I beg Oga. Wilfred, I beg, make una join our hands together. As Wilfred can show himself for us.
Give a mic.
Okay. Welcome. Which kind of song you want to sing for your honorable panel of yours today?
Well, I just want to do anything. Anything. But let's hear it.
Let's
Okay.
Hey, boy, anything is nothing.
When I thank him, I will praise. I will give him all the praise. I will say, you are so fair.
Okay, thank you. You never teach on chin. You do it.
Wait for experience then.
Wait for experience.
He said no.
He said no for me. You never teach on chin. Bye-bye. Thank you.
You never cheat on chin.
Okay, now, Wilfred don't come, he don't fall in hand.
He don't
and
cheat on chin.
he don't cheat on chin. So now, the second contestant for today now, Chiamaka, I beg, come show yourself.
Hey! Oh, yeah. Collect mic. How are you?
Fine, sir.
Where you come from? Obalende ko Akbambo.
No, sir.
Akbambo. That place after CMS called Akbambo.
Nereko ekpongpong.
Akbambo.
No, ekpongpong.
Okay. What kind of music do you have to sing for us?
Nah, that one when Celine Dion and
Well, you sing the
Just
song.
sing them.
You sing the song.
the one when die for inside.
Sing
Just sing the
them.
song.
Every night in my dreams, I see you. I feel you. That's why I know you go home.
Oh. Okay. Sorry. You do well.
You do well.
Thank you. You have done well.
You have done well.
You will get a call back.
We gonna call you. Bye-bye.
No,
call you.
in your lifetime, don't ever.
If you see Mike, run. If person give me microphone, say I reject in Jesus' name. Run. Oh yeah, go. Next contestant and last contestant of the night. Chikuru Ainde. Go there. Wait, Chikuru Ainde. Now, what kind of music you want to sing for us?
Now, for you now, this kind
Oh
of
yeah, go on.
Actually, don't be Fuji. Nah, normal Christian song.
Oh yeah, singer.
Moses say no. Moses say hey no.
Moses say no.
Mercy, honey.
Sorry, Mama.
Mercy.
It's a mistake.
Moses.
Mercy say no.
Don't worry. Blessing said yes.
Blessing said yes. Yeah. He never did that. He never did When I welcome back on the next show, we go back small chicken in for you. Won't come back. We go face Oga Ben. But meanwhile, we go watch
no easy.
Your work nice. Meanwhile, we go watch one small video of auditions. We put it. The one will come back. We go start the interview. When they come back.
Hey.
Easy. He never teach until.
You never teach until. You never teach until. About you go to teach until. You never teach until. You never teach until. You never teach until. Where's when you go to teach until. You never teach until.
Ada, baby na sugar, yo.
Don't stop. Don't continue.
Baby na sugar, yo. Everybody they wait. If I can move, if any na maka, better soup na money kill mo. Ada one na peke ya. Ada, yo.
Wait. This one are proper comedy 3 minutes. Are you serious?
I'm serious.
Like this? You practice this one well?
Yeah.
He never teach until.
You never teach until.
Anyway. Well, welcome back to the show. Answer the night show for today.
Una never cheat
Hey. Well, we got Ben Ogbewi for inside studio. In case you don't know who Ben Ogbewi will be, Ben, in fact, the thing plenty for here.
No.
We not feel read them.
No, the English.
Abridjan.
No, the
Those of
English.
una wey know. Una know. In case you don't aware of him, he there for now they train them for voice, for
Pitch.
project pitch. Now they teach people to do
Which one?
falsetto.
For to be the one we know the land.
Now make her hard.
Oh, sweet baby.
You don't
He guys come down.
Then he go come climb again. Then he come bring I think about the rhythm and blues. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying.
No.
I think about. I know the rhythms and the blues, and I for neck feel you get spirit for. You understand what I'm saying now?
I beg say yes. Yes, you understand.
So you feel me, Uto? I beg sing it again, yours one more time. Oh, my brother, make we go house. I follow you. Anywhere you go, I go.
Anyway, plenty. I go hand over to Ben Ogbewi. Make him introduce himself. Make him tell us
he need to.
who be Ben Ogbewi.
Vocal coach, performer, band leader.
No, say they talk before.
No, wait.
And of course,
He never cheated. He never cheated.
Punisher on the reality show. You know her, Punisher.
Hey, now they punish her for Project Fame now. They know you can't do that. You don't get one get away shot for Project Fame. They get daily peace for body. No, you can't. No, you can't.
You dey flog them? How you dey punish them?
You just advise.
Yeah.
Words of our elders are the words of wisdom. That's what they talk on.
And what be that word they always talk?
Kosoro. Joe.
What does that mean? No, that didn't.
Kosoro.
End of discussion.
End
That's
of
what it
discussion.
means.
Oh.
We're done, yes.
Joe.
Drop
If
mic.
you do Joe, you go do like this. Joe. Joe. He never cheated.
Then you can't yoin, you never teach on.
Anyway, Mr. Ben Ogbewi, he don't do so many things. Project Fame West Africa. Apart from that one, he get one stage play where you do.
Kakadu the music.
Kakadu the music. As in, I love that stage.
If you see this, our uncle on top stage.
If you see him on top stage.
Mbari bao yo mum kidem. Ubo fiat aban teke. Uru de pefian tum. Beru bokin tum. Isn't ke heaven. The kingdom of God. Aban teke Jesus. Ingen fiba me. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying.
We understand. We understand. We understand.
You know, you never see him.
We understand.
We understand.
Yeah.
We don't cheat on Now, make we start back with you.
You're making give us one line for that kakaru.
Kakadu.
Yours one of your favorite.
Just one small thing we do for Kakadu.
We didn't like very well.
What you like?
Ladies and gentlemen, it's been 10 years since our independence. Am I part with that?
Ooh. Finish.
Ladies, they say me you talk now. How you go talk? Ladies and
gentlemen, 10 years I got for go.
You be like town crier.
You be like town crier.
You need to be calm. You know, in the 60s,
Okay.
we're really polished.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Yes.
this is a calm voice. He don't tell who don't get independent.
Names. Neri don't do. He don't do.
Anyway, how music take start for you? Because the whole thing where you be so
It
far,
come like say they do
apart from
everything.
acting, you do everything. Apart from acting, teaching up. In fact, basically, what if people take know you now? Music. You understand? You be Lord for music. Now to ask you now, how music take start for you?
Now music first start or acting.
When I finished GSS, I followed my sister go church. After then, now here we do so.
Church, Holy Spirit.
Choir practice.
Everything they happen inside church. Everything.
Now choir practice. Okay, if you know how to go choir,
Choir practice. That is
what
it.
thing happen for the choir practice?
I go there and I sing now. And choir master like the thing we hear and they retain me.
What do you say? Okay, she carry you say, you can sing well. Let us go for audition.
Just
in
say
church.
follow me, escort me, go. Finish.
She trick you, make you
Now
follow
your
her go.
junior sister, I mean, now you are senior.
Junior sister.
So now you say you no can work now before. As a young
I just finished GSS now.
Okay.
So I did
Okay, you
ask.
meant to enter SS1.
So-
Then she go say, make una
Mo go choir
Where she
practice.
dey now?
God go bless her.
They
oh.
stay for America now.
God go bless her. You know say they say idle man hand. I do devil workshop. So as they carry him. Idle man hand now.
Okay,
Ado,
it's
the
a devil's workshop.
now.
Oh, Ado, devil's workshop.
Ado, devil workshop.
Ado, amam. Now,
The idle mind is the devil's workshop.
You get me bodo now, the idle man. Ado, the devil workshop.
No.
Yeah.
I get cold water.
yeah, I go tell them make them bring water for you.
No, na pure water wicked.
Hello?
No, they did the diary number now.
Sorry,
Na
sorry,
220.
220.
220.
Hello, Kemas. I beg, bring water. Look for a glass of water,
Pure
or
water.
bottle or pure water, or go pump. Open pump. That pump where there for backyard. Open them. Then if you not see cup, put them for plate or anything. Just bring water. Make a
Put am
garbage
for
drink.
hand now, take cup.
No, you can't drink for hand. It's not in time of Moses. You know? Thank you. I beg you, the wait to hurry up. I serious. I not play. Bring this water, Kemus. Kemus.
You don't do
Well,
this.
hang up now.
You hang
Now
up.
be my credit. Hang up now. So, back
Buy and dash. So,
to the matter.
music and actor.
Acting, yeah. How, when, which one? Okay, apparently like, music now start first before acting can reach enter. What do you study for school when you go school?
Civil engineering.
Yeah.
Afo ba mi aboki yemiro kwa equal.
Not
Abami.
equal. Civil engineering.
Neka mimbodo. Afo neke songo sa da keka ufong were ma keko civil engineering. Awori aboy mo yemiro kwa equal. I think you understand me now what I'm saying.
What you talk?
In the talk, say,
understand.
we understand.
Just say yes.
You go to
Yes.
school, come
Dad,
back, say you
yes.
want to sing song.
Yeah, yes.
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 We understand. Now, the question, make her ask that question what she ask again. If you leave civil engineering, they practice the civil engineering.
No.
Eh.
No.
Because I know, say, if far from you, spiritually, I can see. Because the flesh and blood cannot reveal that to you.
I do spirit report.
Except the spirit reveal that to
You
you.
get wisdom.
I get wisdom. Oh God, now make them marry me, right? So you leave civil engineering, enter.
I follow my passion.
You follow your passion. Now, after you come out from school, you practice civil engineering, or you not even practice.
I practice.
You practice for how long? You practice before?
4 years, I can't tire.
You can't tire. You know, saying not be waiting. I want to do this.
wow.
Now this okay. We don't know how you take see music. How I don't know whether I go say that music find you. I been you find music.
No,
I
they
do
find
jam on
themselves.
herself.
They yo yam.
Music is dead there. You know what you talk? You say, okay, this civil engineering, you practice, you could work, you say, fiel. Bagbada yen, can review to the whole world. But I bet she.
Go sorrow.
I want a million now.
Go they never teach us.
Should you read something?
Yeah.
But it's new insane. Music had to take center stage.
Not be fight. So now me say civil engineering, no they bring money for you that time.
They bring money, but you know,
Not be like music
if to
money.
say I did there now, I sure say I go don't go gay. My talent go don't die. In fact, Michael go come down, come ask me, what are you doing with that talent? And I don't want to make it take come. Before you know what happen, you don't turn baby.
You don't turn baby. Now, most people will know you now, know you from MTN Project Fame, where you do. Now, how you take enter Project Fame?
Chai, that story for you. We go the interview.
Okay, to take for enter.
To enter
Project Fame.
Okay. How you take no? Say they do interview, then call you.
Somebody call me home. Forget about friend. Call me. Let's go there.
You say that.
I just go. The man sit down there.
Yeah, your destiny when they report for you.
What is the guarantee that you're gonna make this happen?
Yeah.
Then I say there's no guarantee. But this is how it's going to play out. If it succeeds after 3 weeks, you will pay me double what you're offering. If it doesn't, I will do it for free. Then you can or sack me.
Hey!
Wow!
Wow!
Yes.
For example, now, if they're supposed to pay you 100K, you go there now, contact them, say, okay.
There's no guarantee.
No, they say, okay. So now, Ben, what will be the guarantee say you go do this work well?
Oh God, there is no guarantee. But if after 3 weeks, condition. You know, as they talk, if after 3 days, consult your doctor. If after 3 weeks it not work, I will do it for free. You won't pay.
Okay.
Or sack.
Okay.
If you work, you will pay me double.
Then agree.
3 weeks.
Then agree. So after 3 weeks, what's going to happen?
It take 3 days.
3 days?
Thank God.
Your oracle.
You never cheat on me.
Your oracle. They never cheat on
3 days. Now the lion come out. That's why I pipe down low on the attitude. I will not pipe down low on the attitude because they slapped me in church. They slapped me at social events. They did everything to me.
Who slapped you?
Not sing well now.
For you to sing well, for you to be able to... Because,
you must sing well.
Because now, as you talk sing well now, thank you. Make I ask you one question about singing well now. Inside our music industry...
Who they sing well? They do not answer like
No, I'm not going to ask them who they sing well. Inside our music industry, you could say that they sing well, I've been a market and they sell.
They sell that market. And
you don't bring the water,
And that market not they last more than...
So you hear the telephone call. Why you don't want to drop the...
With the water hot. Why you bring water well hot?
They don't get good one.
Just...
thank you.
Oh
yeah, keep the change. Keep the change.
No, they go. Keep the change.
Keep change.
Keep change.
It's a very viable industry.
Wow.
Continue.
More record.
Make I come out with the free advert. I hear you.
It's a viable industry. Unfortunately, the content is not there, so it's pretty hard.
I can't come back.
We're supposed to sell the values.
Yes.
But unfortunately, we're
what
selling
something else. Yes, you understand what's in the
talk. We're selling the cars. We're selling the blings, of course. Of course, we're selling the personality. We're selling the personality, but we need to sell the content also. That makes it evergreen.
Which means...
They know the form like say you understand what's in the talk. What's be this?
Okay, talk what she go
I know if you don't understand anything, you just say yes.
The question I want to ask you now is say, a music industry for Nigeria, then they sing, I've been at markets, they say, they know the music, as in they sing at the way when you say, if now you they train them, then go sing them like that. I be na markets, then just they sell.
There are 2 approaches.
Okay.
If they sing and the way it's supposed to be, they go they evergreen.
Okay.
Vis-a-vis, Victor Waifo,
Paul
Dairo, Ike Dairo,
Sonia D,
Ebenezer Obey, Onyeka Onwenu,
that Patagon man now,
Ian Enshaw.
When you remember Taka.
Thank you.
No, that man for Patagon.
So all those people now, those ones that name be evergreen.
Ibinabo.
Now Rex Lawson.
Evergreen.
Evergreen.
Now those ones like they sing
Evergreen.
music.
He did inside the Kakadu show also. Evergreen. Now, you know, they last more than 6 months. It's a problem.
They go come out any song when the song don't rain.
It bring money. It's very good. But is your song evergreen?
It can't be like say the road to heaven and hell. Oh, yeah, me.
You know
the road to heaven is very narrow.
She know the road.
Oh, and the road to hell is very wide. So the road to heaven is evergreen. Don't now, don't laugh. Now. Continue.
Anyway, before project, because I don't go like give you. I don't want to call names of artists for this industry where I know say them not they sing.
But they blow.
But people who I will tell you, say this ones them they sing. People like Waje, people like Omawumi, very few of them, Omolara, very few of them, when they say they know waiting, then they sing.
Praise Chidima.
Praise Chidima, then they sing.
Flavor.
Anyway, before Project Fame, where you been there before Project Fame?
Church.
Did they church?
Which kind of question?
He never expected it.
I never expected it. Okay, you know why I agree saying at church? Yeah. Because my choir, they bring people. That's
So
why
you
they
self?
I they sing in the choir now.
Yeah, me.
Tim Godfrey not tell you say the choir.
I don't believe at that time now. Not be you. You. How you go there?
They go bring person from outside,
Okay.
make con train,
Me
do
self
voice
go-
training,
I could go enter
learn
choir.
suffer notes, do all those. That's suffer note. Which I don't know till tomorrow.
Do re
Do re
mi.
mi fa sol.
No, as in no to read them.
Do sol la fa sol.
For
mi, fa,
music.
re, mi, do, re, ti,
You
do,
don't
la,
look
ti,
church
so,
hymnary. He did it now.
No, that suffer notes. Yeah, you take right time. You see make you sing that.
D R M F S L.
No, those ones that do re mi fa sol la ti do. I know those
Now you
ones.
be that now.
You get music. Okay, writing of music.
Okay,
go
that's
write
what
am.
they call
When
me,
they
they
call,
be
they
like
come
this,
do one
they
S.
go up.
They say sing am.
The semi-brief.
I go do if it's what
And
you
the
thank you.
semi-brief. And the other one.
And the brief.
Uh-huh.
And the short.
Uh-huh.
And the semi short.
Fẹ́ bọ́ọ̀dù.
Ẹ pẹ̀lẹ́, àwọn olódo. Ẹ mọ kankan olódo ni.
I saw it down, man. I make a photo.
Follow who no road. You never see chanting. Is that not the theme?
You never cheat on it.
Àwọn olódo.
Now, apart from music, civil engineering wey you learn for school, that one na school, you don't drop am keep for somewhere. I don't get certificate. Now, apart from music, you get an acting, you get any other thing where you dey do when you say okay, now the talent when you say you get.
Voiceovers.
Okay, now you
So now you dey do all those voiceover. Do one, may you do.
Voiceovers. Just leave it that way.
Yeah.
The voice they change. If you want emotion, we give you. You know. And I was also privileged. I did privileged to be one of the narrators for Gouda Ultimate Search.
So you be actually want to this kind of work.
It's
You
not
go do-
entertainment industry. All are 10 and 10 pence.
10 and 10 pence they build house. Oh. They buy motor, buy chew.
Now,
good.
now, some which voice note as a voice note?
Hey.
They do
BB.
control this you are taught.
Which voiceover where everybody know? Which one you feel remember now what you did?
Well, if you remember the time we will qualify, we Super Eagles qualify, we will go play. I do the Spartacus one for Guinness. Then all the yellow, this way.
I know! Isn't that the better? MDM better me.
Thank you.
You aspire to be a better me. Blah, blah, blah. God, if I still speak English like that, forget!
No.
I will become president for this
No,
country.
no worry. You know,
Speaking English like that.
You not be that kind of English you go speak.
Which
Now
kind?
another one.
Which kind one?
No, me and you, no. No be this one.
Anyway,
Another one.
me and Katim say make we ask you because we don't sit down. We
don't
don't
go market, come back. Now, do me drink that water.
No,
You want me there first
More ask
before-
am this one before we go market come back.
But
me,
you won't
and,
drink
me and Katim dey reason this thing. We say we go ask you. We don't sit down. All of us we watch this project film. How you take dey treat all these people? Some of them say, hey, you dey very, very wicked. Some say,
Say you don't
no,
get feeling
you
at
don't
all.
get
Say
feeling
you
at
don't be
all.
like,
He's a
human
human
beings.
being. What you get to talk?
Why you they? Why
See,
you
they
they
strict on them.
Why they sweet you to they abuse them
So they
or
dey
to
strict on
Eh,
them. What you get to
people
talk
children
about?
go sit down one corner they cry.
What you get to talk about that one?
Now, sure, I won't hear the answer to this question.
We want hear
now.
them. We want hear them.
Now,
You don't feel work
Now,
for me.
yes.
Oh. Not you don't feel work for me.
okay, you go reason now with me. Oh. You dey here, you are my witness.
I hear you.
You come, you dey stay Olodia Papa, you dey stay Rumola. We know where you dey stay. We dey go give you the yes or the no, as the case may be.
For your
You
house.
hustle for the audition to reach there.
Yes.
You can't enter top 24. They still take you. By God's grace, your blessing they follow. You can't enter top 18. You can't enter academy. I say, waiting. You remember where you come from. You can't reach there. I know they chop this kind of rice, so.
Yeah.
I know. We know they drink this kind of water for our place, so. That's not bad. Wait. Hold it. Never yet chunching. I have changed it. The academy now one big place wall of Nafi stay.
Inside this circus.
For you to enter the academy, now just walk from your bedroom to the next room. We go drive kilometers, like our forefathers they do. Kilometers, come meet you now. For the 100 days.
Okay, because
when I go to the academy.
I know they stay there.
Yes, we know they stay there, but then they stay there.
Okay, so now they come every day.
You know they wash, you know they cook, you know they clean. You just they wake up, and the only thing what they ask you to do is to sing. If you do well, they reward you. Finish. You know they pay audition fee. You know they pay anything. Just wake up and sing. When you can't reach, you don't talk all down and finish. You can't check. Okay, stock exchange. Now that girl get value pass. No, now that boy get value pass. That one on my own. You find your own. What is the objective? Not be to sing. We don't give you song. 7 days, 2-minute song. You never ready in 5 days. Very good. Oh, and a song where you get for your phone. Not be say song where you never hear before. Now song where they market now. You can't reach stage. You can't tell.
Now all this kind no. Those
there
kinds
were
of...
too many people. I couldn't face the crowd. Who sent you? Come.
No.
So I should take it easy, fold my arms, and so that we go raise mediocre.
Okay, so you go boot camp them and knock them into shape.
Now you don't teach on.
Oh my God.
Is it justified?
He justified one name. Because of that, drink water. When they go break, when they come back, I beg drink water. You never teach something.
You never teach until. You never teach until. You never teach until. I want you go to teach until. You never teach until. You never teach until. You never teach until. Where's when you go to teach until. You never teach until. I didn't for until. You tell me say you want until. I DJ make you play until. I was going to teach until.